camping just got smarter in 2025. From compact solar-powered gear to multifunctional tools, these innovative camping gadgets make outdoor adventures easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether you're backpacking, road tripping, or setting up camp in the wild, Amazon's latest smart camping essentials combine technology with practicality to keep you powered, connected, and prepared for anything nature throws your way. WADEO Portable Shower. The WADEO Portable Shower is a versatile outdoor essential, featuring an upgraded 6,000 mAh battery that delivers up to 180 minutes of continuous use with just a 3-hour charge. Its Type-C charging port with a waterproof cover allows safe and convenient recharging via phone charger, laptop, or car. Equipped with a smart LED display, it shows real-time battery and water temperature, while the built-in camping light offers 6 LEDs with 4 brightness modes plus emergency strobe. With 5 adjustable water pressure levels, 4 spray modes, and lightweight portability, it's perfect for camping, hiking, pet baths, car washing, and outdoor adventures. KingCamp Camping Chair. The KingCamp Camping Chair, $84.99, is designed to deliver ultimate outdoor relaxation with a smooth swinging motion and adjustable reclining angles for personalized comfort. Its oversized, heavy-duty frame supports up to 400 pounds, while the breathable mesh padded seat and supportive headrest ensure ergonomic ease. Crafted from durable 6063 aluminum alloy and Q195 steel, it combines strength with portability. Weighing just 10.3 pounds and packing easily into the included Oxford carry bag. Thoughtful details like a cup holder, padded armrests, and anti-slip feet make it versatile for camping, beaches, patios, or backyard lounging. A perfect blend of comfort and convenience. VEVOR Campfire Grill. The VEVOR Campfire Grill, $29.98, is a foldable, portable, and heavy-duty solution for outdoor cooking. Weighing only 10 pounds, it folds down to 11.2 inches by 11.2 inches by 1.2 inches in just 5 seconds and comes with a stylish, durable carry bag for easy transport. Crafted from high-quality steel with a protective coating, it's food-grade, rust-proof, and withstands heat up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit without warping. Its half grill net and half griddle design let you cook a variety of meals, while the diamond-shaped mesh ensures even heat and prevents food from falling. Ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, and more. This multi-purpose grill makes outdoor cooking effortless. DUKUSEEK Tent Fan. The DUKUSEEK Tent Fan, $26.98, is a 3-in-1 portable camping essential, combining a powerful ceiling fan, bright lantern, and emergency power bank in one compact design. Equipped with a 7,500 mAh rechargeable battery, it delivers 8 to 36 hours of use after just 6 to 8 hours of charging. Featuring a brushless motor for strong airflow with minimal noise, it keeps tents cool without disturbing sleep. The included remote and timer function make it convenient to operate, while its durable ABS construction ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for camping, fishing, outages, or indoor use. This versatile fan enhances comfort and safety wherever you go. Anker SOLIX. EverFrost 2. The Anker SOLIX. EverFrost 2 is the ultimate portable cooler that eliminates the need for ice, keeping food and drinks perfectly chilled or frozen from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, with even and fast frost. Flow cooling, it drops from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, ensuring consistent cooling without warm spots. Powered by two 288 watt-hour batteries, it maintains 39 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 4.3 days. Recharge conveniently via solar panel, car socket, wall outlet, or USB-C. Choose from Max, Eco, or Smart modes to suit your adventure. With rugged 6-inch wheels, a retractable handle, and included accessories, it's built for anywhere. Princeton Tec Helix. The Princeton Tec Helix 360 light is a versatile water-resistant lantern designed for area illumination with a 360-degree light dispersion, making it perfect for campsites and outdoor activities. It features dimmable LEDs for customized brightness and energy efficiency. The powerful Max Bright White LED delivers smooth, brilliant light for broad use, while the Ultra Bright Red LED provides efficient wide beam lighting for close to mid-range tasks without straining eyes. With its IPX6 rating, it withstands rain, splashes, and strong water spray. Compact and reliable, it's ideal for hiking, camping, backpacking, hunting, trade work, military applications, and mountaineering adventures where dependable lighting is essential. OUTOHOMEAC. The OUTOHOME. Portable AC is a compact yet powerful cooling solution designed for versatile use in camping, VS, trucks, and small indoor spaces. Equipped with a high-performance GMCC compressor, it delivers fast cooling, dropping temperatures by up to 18 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius in just minutes. With multiple modes including cool, dry, sleep, and fan, it adapts to different comfort needs while remaining energy efficient at under 400 watts per hour. Its slim, portable design makes it easy to move, while features like a 24-hour timer, wide-angle airflow, and quiet operation enhance convenience. Built with durable components, OUTOHOME. AC ensures reliable performance even in high temperatures. Moultrie Edge 2 Cellular Trail Camera. The Moultrie Edge 2 Cellular Trail Camera delivers powerful performance for hunters, wildlife enthusiasts, and property monitoring. Featuring 36 megapixel photos and 1080p HD videos with sound, it captures clear, detailed footage day or night. With built-in memory, there's no need for SD cards, while AutoConnect ensures nationwide 4G LTE coverage across multiple carriers. A 0.40 second trigger speed, 100-foot detection range, and low-glow infrared flash guarantee fast, discrete captures. Managed via the Moultrie mobile app, it offers on-demand control, AI-powered species recognition, and smart zones to filter false triggers. Compatible with batteries, solar, or rechargeable packs, it's built for reliable remote scouting. Elegear Sleeping Pad. The Elegear self-inflating sleeping pad is designed for maximum comfort and durability, making it an excellent choice for car camping and winter use. Built with 26D high-density memory foam and a 50D TPU layer, it offers superior support, noise-free sleep, and long-lasting durability. Its ultra-thick 3.1-inch design, integrated 5-inch pillow, and high R value of 9.5 ensure warmth and comfort in cold conditions. With a weight capacity of up to 800 pounds, it's suitable for most sleepers, especially side sleepers. Quick self-inflation, dual exhaust valves, and a convenient carry bag make it easy to set up, pack, and transport. BKLES BK 2000. The BKLES BK 2000 is a lightweight electric portable water purifier designed for outdoor adventures, survival, and emergency use. Equipped with a 6-stage filtration system featuring KDF, activated carbon, PP cotton, and an ultra-filtration membrane, it effectively removes impurities, heavy metals, chlorine, and harmful substances while improving water taste. Delivering up to 700 milliliters of purified water per minute, it runs on a rechargeable lithium battery with 8-hour runtime, charged via USB-C. Weighing just 350 grams, it doubles as a power bank for mobile devices and includes a built-in emergency light. Compact and durable, it comes with a multifunctional storage bag for easy portability. MODIWELL Dry Flush Toilet. The MODIWELL Dry Flush Toilet is a portable waterless solution designed for convenience, hygiene, and versatility. With its one-click automatic flush, waste is instantly sealed in biodegradable bags, eliminating odours and leaks. Weighing just 17 pounds, it's compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for camping, RVS, off-grid living, and emergencies. Built with stainless steel legs, it supports up to 350 pounds while remaining lightweight. A 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery powers 70 to 100 uses per charge, ensuring reliable performance anywhere. Each package includes biodegradable bags, coagulant pouches, and a charging cable, providing everything needed for a safe, eco-friendly, and hassle-free experience. Funcube Portable Sink. The Funcube Portable Sink, $209, is a compact lightweight solution for campers, RV users, and outdoor enthusiasts. Measuring 15.7 inches by 11.8 inches by 11 inches and weighing only 8.4 pounds, it offers the convenience of a home sink on the go. Equipped with two 1.3-gallon water canisters, it requires no electricity or plumbing, simply fill and pump. Its durable design, made from recycled plastic with stainless steel elements, blends sustainability with practicality. Features include a generous wash basin, smart shelving, and eco-conscious construction. For added versatility, upgrade with the Wash Plus starter set, which includes a portable shower, mirror, and cleaning pearls. PEAKFLOW Tiny Pump. The PEAKFLOW Tiny Pump by FLEXTAIL is a game-changing portable device designed for campers, travellers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing just 1.66 ounces, it delivers an impressive 4 kilopascals air pressure and 180 litres per minute airflow, making inflation and deflation of air mattresses, pool floats, and vacuum bags fast and effortless. Beyond pumping, it doubles as a 3-mode camping lantern, ensuring reliable light in low light conditions. Built from durable ABS with an IP44 water-resistant rating, it's tough enough for outdoor use. A 1,300 mAh rechargeable battery, Type-C fast charging, multiple nozzles, hanging loop, and magnetic attachment make it highly versatile, compact, and user-friendly. FLEXTAIL Tiny Repeller. The FLEXTAIL Tiny Repeller, $43.99, is a powerful ultra-portable solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring dual-sided heating technology, it accommodates 2 mosquito-repellent pads and heats up to 329 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 minutes. With 2 modes, camping, 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and outdoor, 329 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers efficient, customizable protection. Weighing only 5.2 ounces, its compact round design includes a top hook and magnetic base for easy attachment. A built-in camping light offers 4 brightness levels with up to 60 hours of runtime. Equipped with a 4,800 mAh battery, it also doubles as an emergency power bank. IPX5 water resistance and rugged durability make it ideal for adventures. Kakadu Canvas Swag Tent. The Kakadu Canvas Swag Tent is designed for overlanders and comfort-oriented campers seeking durability and convenience. Built with heavy-duty canvas fabric, it offers reliable weather protection in all conditions. Inside, you'll find a 2.75-inch high-density foam mattress with a removable flannel cover for a cozy night's rest. The tent features Lumos technology with flexible strip lighting, ensuring a well-lit interior for added comfort and usability. A 6-panel flexi storage system keeps your essentials organized and within reach, making setup and pack down effortless. Combining rugged construction with thoughtful design, this swag is the perfect balance of comfort and practicality outdoors.